Love and fear. This applies to romantic couples too. We all provoke our partners, consciously or not, to see how much we can get away with. How far can we test our partner's tolerance? If boundaries are not set, then there are bound to be problems. In the research of moral development, the question arises, what is necessary for a child or another person to accept a moral norm? You can do this, you cannot do that. The boundary between what we can or cannot do becomes blurry. Psychological tests have shown that for a moral norm to be accepted, either in the case of raising a child or influencing a partner, a mutual emotional bond is necessary. In human relationships, we find the coexistence of love and fear. If not, then every sort of reaction will be ineffectual. It will be impossible to raise a child, or the partner will not adapt, becoming selfish and taking advantage of the situation. We must not interpret this sentimentality. In this case, love means a relationship is emotionally important to us. It is important to feel secure and to feel at home in the world. It is important to find and develop ourselves. That is what we identify with, subjectively, as love. The object of our fear is not being slapped, beaten or abandoned. Instead, the fear's source is that this love, which is important to us, can be taken away. Everybody desires unconditional love, but those who receive it become spoilt by it. Raising a child is impossible without fear and expectations, and it is impossible to live with someone without the motivating factor that we may lose our partner. There are conditions. People in general do not like this. Inside of us, there is this infantile desire for unconditional acceptance. That is irrational. There is no such thing. A class of students will provoke a new teacher, subtly or brazenly, to test the limits of the teacher's patience and tolerance. How far can they go before the teacher pounds on the desk? At that point, they can adapt to the relationship dynamic. If you want to learn more about yourself, your problems and the world, watch our videos. I'm sure you will find something that will interest you. Don't forget to leave your experience in the comments. Thank you for every like, share and comment.